Alright, hello everybody. I just wanted to do a wrap up on the SOS pads on this Lakewood wagon. I really didn't get it all the way finished because down low it's just too muddy to lay on the ground and try to get the rocker panels real good and all that, but really did a pretty good job. Seeing all these, like that Lakewood, I told you that most of this stuff was going to probably come off. It did, and there's the bins, top and the bottom of these trim. It's good. And there was a big discoloration at the bottom of that door that went away mostly. The roof is good. We ended up having like 6 inches of snow, and then it got down into the teens for a day or two. Then I ended up having a blood vessel break in my eye, so I'm like blind in my right eye right now. Hopefully I could get that taken care of here soon. I have an appointment with the specialist on Tuesday, so next step will be probably rust repair on this. I have these wheels right here. Get the proper 185/80/13 tires mounted on them. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick wrap up and show some of these areas that were, remember the front of this had that black all along it, and then the front, I don't know if you can see real well what it did, but really took most of it off. There's that part I was doing by hand, and this whole area was all rusty in there. You know, some of the stuff doesn't come off because it's just, you know, too far gone. If you notice, these handles are all pitted. I have a whole set of new handles for it that I will be putting on, that I took off of my parts wagon. That parts wagon has helped a lot of people get their wagons back together, so it'll be wheels and finishing up the lower section whenever I can find a place that all we have is dirt here, so maybe go to a friend's house or something and see if I can get down and get the lower rocker areas all done. Other than that, it's all finished up. I just thought I'd do a quick video of it. Now I haven't decided what I'm going to do. I'm either going to wax it or try linseed oil. I heard linseed oil works good, but I'm thinking probably more along the lines of doing some kind of a wax on it, and then just to get the interior in shape. It's running actually pretty good now. Find a couple of good mirrors for it. I might have some. These are shot and they're loose, so. But other than that, I would give the SOS treatment a thumbs up, really. It brought back a lot of the original color, and minus a real good deep cleaning on it, I think it really did a pretty good job. So anyway, that's it for today. If any of you have any questions, just put them in the comments down below, and make sure and like and subscribe, please. It would really help out the group and the channel, and we can keep bringing you stuff that hopefully helps you out on your Corvair or your projects that you have going. So have a good afternoon. We'll talk to you soon.